In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install tracers for your wallets on FiveM. So if you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Okay, so first of all, you will need to download the tracer file if you don't have it yet. So you can do it from Discord servers or just search on Google Forms or whatever you want. In my case, I have this tracer right here. It's the one that you have seen on the video. And I just found it on a Discord server, but you can use any other tracer you want. Once you have your tracer, you need to go to FiveM, or you can search for it right here as well. Go to FiveM, right click it and open file location. Then right click again and open file location. And now we are going to go to the FiveM application data folder. So open it and go to mods. Now once you have the mods folder open, you just need to drag and drop the RPF file you just downloaded, which is the tracer, and now you can launch FiveM and you should have the tracer ready. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.